My name is Matt Triplett. I'm the Senior Manager at Toshiba Machine America. My job there is to manage the operations here in the U.S. What I was talking about today was the digital twin or machine toolkit that is available in Siemens NX. What I really got into was the fact that the digital twin or sim toolkit is a very beneficial piece of the software and can be very profitable and improve efficiencies for my customers and for the customers, of Siemens NX. One thing I was able to really touch on during my presentation was that a few years ago I was able to work on a project where I was able to help implement a sim kit at a customer of mine, which utilized Siemens NX, and it was a highly successful project. The customers still use it today, saves them a lot of money, it allows them to use their Toshiba equipment to its utmost efficiency. That's really what I covered in the presentation today, was the beginning of how machine tools and Siemens NX CAD/CAM systems have been used throughout the history of them, and kind of where we're at today and how the digital twin really comes into play and is really a combination of everything that everybody's been working towards. One thing that I really did point out during my presentation was the importance of spending the initial investment in the beginning. And I'm not talking about an investment of buying a component or buying a piece of software. I'm talking about the investment of spending the time to make sure that what you're developing is done correctly. Missing little pieces here and there end up causing headaches over time, and even in the discussions with the people that came to the session, that was the same frustrations that they brought up as well. And so knowing that spending this initial time in the beginning and getting the right people working on the project and everything was really important for everybody to know, and we really pushed that during the conversations. So being able to get Siemens and the Siemens distributor and the machine tool builder to be able to all come together to make this kind of a project or end result for the customer is just really important, and that's one of the things that people miss the most these days, to be honest, but it's also one of the most important.